Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss another DB2 SQL function, which is minute. So, overall purpose of using this function is to fetch the minute from the time or from the timestamp. So, suppose we have two columns in a table. One is time, where we are holding the current time, and another column is for the timestamp. Okay. Now, suppose the requirement is that we want to fetch the specific time from that time or timestamp. So, in that case, we can utilize this minute function. So I will show you the program, like how we are using this. So here you can see, first of all, we are declaring the constant, which is SQL state underscore valid with 5 times zeros. Below to this, we are declaring the result variable of zone decimal 4, and then we are setting the commitment control as commit equals to star none. Okay, so this step is not a mandatory because we are just reading the data, but if you are writing the data, then in that case you need to specify these things. Okay, now below to this we are using the exec query. So to execute the query, we are writing exec SQL select minute from current timestamp into host variable results. So what it will do, firstly it will calculate current timestamp from the function, and this is the function name current timestamp. Then it will fetch the minute from there and store it into the host variable result, and this data is coming from sys ibm.systeme1. So once you got the data, then means once you executed this query, then we need to check the query if it is executed properly or not. So for that I'm checking SQL state with my constant SQL state underscore valid. If it is, then we are printing the result, else we are printing the SQL state along with the message query ended with an error. Then doing end if inlar equals to star on. So this is how we can write the program using minute function in SQLRPGLE program. So now I'm compiling this program, calling this. So you can see it is printing 21. Why? Because when we call this, it fetch the current timestamp, and from that current timestamp it is fetching the current minute. Alright, so this is all about the SQLRPGLE program. Now we will discuss how we can use the same over the DB2 SQL query. So here I have already executed the query. So firstly I will show you the main table. So this is the main table. Now suppose you want to fetch the minute. These are the minute portion: 21, 22, 41, 58, 13, 26. So let's say if we are just interested in this part and we want to fetch this only. Likewise from the timestamp also we want to fetch the minute part only. So how this one, the minute part is this one. So how to do this? So to do this, we can simply write this query: select minute on current timestamp. This is my column name. It is not a function. I'm using underscore, right? If I show you by taking F4, you can see that these are the column field name, not the function name. Okay. So what we are doing, a minute from current timestamp column, and also I'm printing that column without any function from Sharmit1 slash table1. So if I hit enter here, you can see it is returning the minutes 22, 22, because this is the current time and it is showing 22. Alright, now what we will do, we will slightly change this thing for a timestamp. So let me reuse this query: select minute from timestamp from Sharmit1 slash table1. So if I hit enter, you can see it is printing the minute as 33, 9 and 19. So this is how we can utilize the minute function in order to achieve the or in order to extract the specific minute from a time or from a timestamp column. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.